Good morning, good morning. So today I've woke up, actually last night I was on eBay checking out cars. There's a car I have been dying to get my hands on for quite a while, but they have been rather unaffordable. However, we have found one. We have found one and it is only 7 hours away. And it is Wednesday and I have not got a lot to do. It's already 1 o'clock. We're going to take a drive to Middlesbrough and go and have a look at one of my dream cars. So it is now about 1:30. I still haven't left. I'm not sure what's going on with the car because basically they've advertised it in a few places and they're saying they've got offered a few £1,000s more for it. Is it going to be a wasted trip? I hope not. But at the same time, if the car goes, we'll just figure out something else to do. Taking the little baby camper, the Delica, so we can stop off anywhere, have a little bit of an adventure. It won't be a loss either way. Let's get out of here. So we are en route. Puppy's chilling in the back. I thought I'd climb in the back as we're in a camper, we might as well make the most of it. Next question is, will the Delica get all the way down to Middlesbrough and then down to Bournemouth? I think we're going to make this a little bit more of a trip and go and see some friends and family. But happy days, sun is shining, we're on the road, random adventure. That's what life's about.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again.
So we're still in Scotland. It is just gone 4 o'clock. Come on, mate. And we've stopped in a little village called, I think it's Abington. If it's not, I'll put the right name right there. And it's about time I told you what we are going to go and look at today. So it's a Triumph. It's a Triumph GT6. And this is a car that only really came on my radar around about maybe a month and a half, 2 months ago. And I'd never seen one before. They are based on the Triumph Spitfire, which I always thought was not the best looking car in the world, to be honest. Beautiful, but just lacking some lines. Whereas the GT6 is essentially the hardtop version of the Spitfire. They also call it the poor man's E-Type. And when you see this car, you'll understand why. It's got really beautiful sloping lines on the back of the car. Anyway. The one we've seen is Mark III, 1971, 3 owners, but the last owner is just a change of ownership from the husband to the wife, because sadly he passed away a couple of years ago. And this car has basically been garage stored its whole life. For 30 years it's basically been in the same hands. Now, that is unheard of these days. It's very hard to find these kind of barn finds, these cars that have been looked after by the same person. And I am super excited to see it. It needs work. It's needing parts of a new interior. It needs a new clutch. The clutch is furred up. It could be that it just needs a clean and getting the thing cleaned up, or it could be a new clutch. However, the price is right, the car's looking good, and even if I need to spend some money on it, I will be the owner of one of my new favourite cars. So it's coming up to 7:30 now. I got a feeling this is the last of the sunshine we're going to get today. Massive black clouds, just coming up to Scotch Corner there, 12 miles away. And then eventually we'll be getting into Middlesbrough. Once I get to Middlesbrough, I'll see if I can keep the camera on me and do a little video walk around of the car, and Owen, who is the brother-in-law of the gentleman that used to own it, and have a little chat with him. But if not, you'll be seeing me after we see the car. So it's very late, but we are the owners of a GT6. How awesome is that? Right, I'm going to stop filming outside these guys' houses. I'll do a little bit more of a chat in the morning once we've found somewhere to camp tonight. There's the little Delica. Nero's chilling in there. And yeah, I've got a load of video of the car. Start of a new journey, new project. Happy days. Good morning. So, drove for about an hour and a quarter last night and ended up camping on the North Yorkshire moors. Absolutely stunning little spot here. The thing is, days like yesterday when you're rushing through, you never really get any time to appreciate the car. Like, we got there so late last night and I was so aware I was losing daylight and I needed to check for rust. I needed to check the bulkhead under the battery, need to see the engine running, check the engine was cold. The list goes on and on and on. Yeah, 24 crazy hours of waking up, seeing a car on eBay, going down, meeting the family and buying it. I hope you've liked the little journey. We'll be doing a lot more stuff like this. Well, not buying that many cars. I've already got 7. But yeah, subscribe if you like the videos and we will see you next time. Bye guys.